I can get up here and get raped by Sasquatch. Anything's possible. So basically, looks like this bamboo bridge is just a bridge of bamboo, kind of like a hiking trail just all around this area. Let's see, drinks, there's a temple. Oh, sweaty cup. Oh, a little coffee shop. Oh, that bridge goes way out there. All right. Well, let's go up on here and maybe try to fly the drone on this little, whatever you would call this right here. Oh, people want to go up there and take a picture. This bamboo bridge just goes and goes and goes. See how far it goes. Rob walked down there and he hasn't came back yet, so I don't even have a clue how far this is gonna go. Okay, now I'm in a bamboo bridge tunnel. I really did not have a clue that it went this far. I just thought it was a little bridge over a river or something. I didn't know it goes all over all kinds of rice fields and holy shit. All right, apparently this is the temple. I thought that other little structure back there was the temple, but this is it. Wear appropriate clothing. Wow. Check this out. More amazing things you find in Thailand. Trails and stuff up here. Let's just go right up to the temple. Now, what is this other writing here? Do you guys know? Is that Cambodia or like what language is this writing? Please dress politely. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe there's a monk here somewhere. Oh, there's more structures over here. So this is the end of the bamboo though, right? Is there more trails or just?
No, yeah, there's a dirt road that takes up to another route Buddha up there.
Oh, there's another Buddha up there? Did you go up there?
Well, I didn't go. I waited for you, but they said that there was another Buddha.
Wow, this is like a lost garden back here, isn't it? Oh, Forest Temple. Wow. This is like, I feel like we're entering Jurassic Park for real. I mean, people always say like entering Jurassic Park. Oh, shut up, Greeny. Yeah, people live here.
This is very well maintained.
Don't use my YouTube voice.
No.
There's the guard dog.
Yep.
I wonder, do we go that way or this way? Rob boot camp. I'm doing push-ups after this hike. Holy God, this is just totally different than where we were just at. It's like a totally different. Like, it's even cooler. Well, obviously we're under the trees, the canopy, but just everything is an entirely different feel. Like the forest retreat. Talk about getting away and just cleansing the mind. This is the place. I think, you know what the equivalent in the United States to pie is? Sedona, Arizona.
Might be.
Different landscape,
Right.
red rocks and everything, but just very zen-like, very chill. Check it out, guys. Forest grounds here, forest sanctuary. I don't know what you would call this. This is cool. There's a trail going up. Might as well see what's up there, huh? Little old temple or something. Wow. Wonder how old that is. I get a better view for you guys.
That's where Yoda lives.
Rob just said he thinks this is where Yoda lived. Yeah, I believe it. I think they're discovering the Force here. This is the Jedi training land for the monks. We discovered monk Jedi training. Wow, the trail just goes up higher. I mean, this is just unknown to us, guys. So for all I know, I could just get up here and there could be another sweet temple up here or something awesome, or I can get up here and get raped by Sasquatch. Anything's possible in Thailand. Not sure if they call it Sasquatch here. I'm gonna have to ask somebody what the Thai word for Bigfoot is. I'm sure Bigfoot could be translated. Look at that. Holy cow. Old stone structure. I mean, who came up here back in the day to build this stuff? This is freaking awesome. Gotta take a picture. So, just talking to Robin. You know, we came to this bamboo bridge. You know, we just see it on the map. Oh, let's go check out the bamboo bridge. And we actually thought it was going to be something, you know, pretty trivial, pretty lame. And it turns out to be just super cool. I mean, this building right up here and those rocks and everything. That's like the Keebler elves used to live there, I'm sure. But now he's starting to walk into some thickness here. I don't think we're going to go too much farther. It looks like the trail is starting to come to an end. But this is just like, most people turn around at that temple and we just kept going. And I mean, it's just amazing, all these buildings and stuff just in the woods. It's thick in here. I'm sure there's a lot of mosquitoes. I think I have my mosquito spray in my bag, actually. Haven't got hit by any yet, but let me show you where this guy's walking now. Yeah, so he's getting into the thick of it. That's like, you know, that's where snakes and shit are. Rob, how far you plan on going? Because we're getting into the rural area of the rural part of the rural woods. I'm not into meeting Sasquatch in here, or a wolf, or a bear, or whatever they have here. All right, he says there's a bridge, but apparently nobody's been through here in a while. It looks more like a fence than a bridge to me, Rob. All right. Probably to tell the Farangs this is as far as you go. All right, Greeny's turning around. Look at it. It's a pretty little river going down there, little creek. Let's go back. Anybody know what Thai poison ivy looks like? Do they have that here? Is there things you walk through the woods and get itchy by? Besides fire ants? Old fucking man. But we walked 15 or so miles yesterday. This guy's not taking it easy on me. Let me tell you. Like, go, 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 go. Greeny chafing. I sort of like walking on the bamboo bridge. It kind of feels like the treadmill. It's bouncy. It feels better in my knees. You guys hear that? Spring, spring, bounce, bounce. This works for me.